Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Monique, and today I'm going to show you how to get this pink purple glam look that you can wear on a date or night on the town. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching and don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Alright, so I'm going to be using this new Maybelline Lemonade Craze. I don't think it's that new, but it's new to me. And I'm also going to be using the Masquerade Mini by Juvias place to get this look. So I'm going to start out with using the Lemonade Craze by Maybelline, and I'm going to start out with using Ice Pop. It's going to be this bright pink color right here. And I'm going to use this Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to put this all over the crease and blend it out really well. I'm going to kind of blow it out on the edges just to make my eyes look a little bit longer. Right, now that that is blended out, I'm now going to take this purple, I think it's called Zobo, from the Masquerade palette, and I'm going to pack this on my outer corner and I'm going to blend it into the crease. But I'm not going to cover up that pink color I just put in. So I'm going to take this Morphe brush, I'm going to pack on the color. I'm going to put it right in my outer corner. So right now I'm just packing on the color, but I'm going to end up blending it all out into the crease. Alright, so I'm still blending, packing and blending just to get a nice gradient effect. And it looks like I lost some of that transition color, so I'm going to go back in with my original brush and go back to the Lemonade Craze palette and take Ice Pop, that pink color, and put it back in my crease just so we can see that gradient effect. Alright, so now I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to grab Main Squeeze. It's this pretty gold color in the Lemonade Craze palette, and I'm going to put this all over my eyelid. And you could have used a brush to do this, but since I have short nails, it's a little bit easier for me just to use my finger. Now I'm also going to get the color Citrus, and I'm going to put it in the middle where that purple and Main Squeeze meet. Alright, now I'm going to get this fluffy brush and make sure there's no very harsh line. Alright, now I'm going to take my liquid liner, if I can find it. This is just the NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I'm gonna do kind of a dramatic wing. Right, this takes a lot of concentration. Alright, I'm gonna pop on these Kiss Lash Couture lashes. I don't remember what they are called, but I'll insert it somewhere. Alright, so while that lash is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of my makeup on. I've already primed my skin using the Shine Control complexion primer from Radiance. And I'm gonna go in with my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer in the color Golden. Alright, so I'm not going to use a sponge today. I'm going to use my Morphe Y6 brush. Laura Lee, Los Angeles told me to use this, so that's what I'm going to do. I really do like this brush. I've already gone through like 2 of them. I'm going to blend this out. Alright, so now I'm going to put that lash back on. First, I'm going to coat my lashes in some black mascara. It doesn't really matter what mascara you use. And I'm going to pop these lashes on. Alright, I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape and Tan Deep Sand. I don't like to use a lot of this. It's a little thick. I'm going to highlight underneath my eye, my chin, and my nose a little bit, and my forehead. And I'm going to go back with that Morphe Y6 brush and blend it all out. Alright, so now I need to set my face. I'm going to use this big fluffy brush, and I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution banana powder. I'm going to set my entire face with it. Alright, now I'm going to take this Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark, and I'm going to use it to contour my face a little bit and bronze up. Alright, so now I need to go back and finish that lower lash line. So I'm going to go back in the Juvias Place palette, and I'm going to use this pencil brush to line my lower lash line. I'm going to take that Zobo, that purple color that we used earlier. Then I'm going to go back to that Lemonade Craze palette and take Ice Pop, that pink color that we used, And I'm just gonna mix it with the purple. Now I'm gonna line my lash line with Black Ebony. This is a Lancome eyeliner. Okay, I need to blend that out just a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna put some more mascara on my lower lashes. And I'm gonna spray my face with some setting spray, the Milani Make It Last. Using this sponge, this kind of helps melt all those powders together so I don't look like a ghost. I'm gonna take Strawberry Lemonade, this color right here, and put it in my inner corner. Alright, so my lip color today, I'm gonna use this Revlon, not sure what it's called. I know it's in the color HD Twilight, and it's a purple. And the last thing we need to do is add a highlight color, or highlighter. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild in Precious Petals. Alright, and we are all done. Thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.